Good evening. This is Dr. R. Sundar Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Institute of Road and Transport Technology, Erode. In this video lecture, we are going to see Unit number 5, Electronic Devices, titled Power Devices and Display Devices. What are the topics covered in Unit number 5? Power Devices and Display Devices, DIAC, SCR, TRIAC, UJT, LED, LCD, phototransistor, optocoupler, solar cell, CCD. Here the three samples of LED are shown in figure. Sample 1 shows red, green, blue color LED, violet color LED, and sample 2 shows LED bulb used instead of fluorescent lamp, and sample 3 shows another LED lamp. What is an LED? Light emitting diode. The light emitting diode is a semiconductor light source that emits light when current flows through it. How a light emitting diode look like, how it will operate, under what bias condition it will operate. Here the sample of LED, red color LED shown in figure. In this, the longer lead acts as an anode and the shorter lead acts as a cathode, and the cathode end looks like flat. So what is the symbol of LED? This is the symbol of LED. Positive terminal anode, negative terminal cathode. So since LED emits lights, the figure shows some arrow mark from the diode. Under forward bias condition only it will operate. Under reverse bias condition it will not operate. Under forward bias condition it will emit when forward bias applied to the LED. So how LED driver circuit work? A voltage bias, anode and cathode. Cathode directly not connected to the ground through a resistor. Cathode connected to the ground. Here the LED 7 segment display shown in figure. This one is the sample of LED application. What is the working principle of LED? Electrons in the semiconductor recombine with holes, releasing energy in the form of photons. The color of the light corresponding to the energy of the photons is determined by the energy required for electrons to cross the band gap of the semiconductor. White light is obtained by using multiple semiconductors or a layer of light emitting phosphor on the semiconductor device. So when forward bias is applied to the LED, the electrons in the n-type semiconductor recombine with holes in the p-type semiconductor. The resulting energy released in the form of light. The color of the light emitted from the LED depends upon the semiconductor material combination used to manufacture the LED. What are the advantages of LED? Low power consumption, small size, faster switching, physically robust, long lasting. Disadvantage, costlier. Applications of LED includes LED used in cars, bikes, street lights, home lighting, office lighting, mobile phones, televisions, and many more. What are the different types of LED? Through-hole LED, single color, surface mount LEDs, bicolor LED, two colors, RGB LED, tri-colors, high power LED for high power applications, infrared LED used for TV remote control, etc. The next one is the liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal is an organic substance that has both a liquid form and a crystal molecular structure. In this liquid, the rod-shaped molecules are normally in a parallel array, and an electrolytic field can be used to control the molecules. Most LCDs today use a type of liquid crystal called twisted nematic. A simplified LCD cell showing each of the major components. Totally six components are usually present in a LCD. This light source is separate. The first component is glass plate with alignment layer, and the second one is electrode, third one is liquid crystal, and the fourth one is the segmented electrode, and fifth one is color filter, and the last one is the glass plate, another glass plate. The next figure shows how LCD works clearly. Mirror, from the mirror the light will enter into the glass filter, first glass filter, and then through negative electrode it will pass through the liquid crystal, and positive electrode is the segments, and after that you will have some glass filter, and then polarizing film, and finally you will get some display here. Right? What are the segments? The light illuminated. Those segments are visible in the black color. A basic display using liquid crystals is composed of 6 main components: a polarizing filter, a glass plate that has a transparent electrode pattern, the liquid crystal material, a clear common electrode on glass, a polarizer whose axis is crossed compared to the first polarizer, and either a reflective surface or a light surface without the liquid crystal between the polarizers. The cross polarizers would block out the content, making the screen appear dark. So, what are the basic components present in the liquid crystal display? Already we have seen it in the previous two figures. The main principle behind the liquid crystal molecules is that when an electric current is applied to them, they tend to untwist. This causes a change in the light angle passing through them. This causes a change in the angle of the top polarizing filter with respect to it. So little light is allowed to pass through the particular area of the LCD. Thus, that area becomes darker compared to the other areas. The LCD glass has transparent electrical conductors plated onto each side of the glass in contact with the liquid crystal fluid, and they are used as electrodes. These electrodes are made up of indium tin oxide. When an appropriate drive signal is applied to the cell electrodes, an electric field is set up across the cell. The liquid crystal molecules will rotate in the direction of the electric field. The incoming linearly polarized light passes through the cell unaffected and is observed by the rear analyzer. The observer sees a black character on a silver grey background. When the electric field is turned off, the molecules relax back to their 90-degree twist structure. This is referred to as positive image reflective viewing mode. So, what are the applications of LCD? The liquid crystal displays are used in aircraft cockpit displays. It is used as a display screen in calculators. For displaying images used in the digital cameras, the television is main application of LCD. Mostly, the computer model is made up of LCDs. Here is one sample example of LCD display. What are the advantages of LCD? Low power requirement. That's all about class 5. Unit number 5.